Assalamualaikum viewers, my name is Ishan. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Nowadays my topic is digital marketing course curriculum PDF. Now let's go start. Table of contents about the course, silent features, who should attend, what your students say about us, recognized by media for course curriculum, module 1, module 2, exam and certificate timeline and fee about rank keyword marketing group course certificates 100% placement assessment about the course. The digital marketing training program is designed by the industry expert. You will get hands-on learning with live project and simulations exam with the complement of the world class course content in blogging, PPC, social media and web analytics. About the digital marketing is the one of fastest growing industries in India. In digital marketing you will learn how to create ads for YouTube, social media, Google and many other platforms, as well as you will learn about various tools and techniques like SEO, Google Analytics, AdWords, blogging, etc. According to survey of Time of India, there are around 30 lakh jobs in digital marketing by the year 2022. Using digital marketing you can also earn money online and growing your business. Who should attend? Student in undergraduation courses to post graduation courses, entrepreneurs, bloggers, YouTubers, freelancers, or have family business people looking for best feature opportunities and high in salary, website developers and apps developers, marketing and sales professionals, uh, silent feature training case by Google certificate professional, Moodland classes by top digital market of India, certificate from Google and Facebook for more certificate, hands-on experience with 10 plus real world project, rupees 5 lakh to rupees 15 lakh, jobs offer 20 multiply 7 sport through decision formance, rupees 50,000 word digital marketing tools and books help in your blog, freelancer, career, YouTube channels and app installs. What your students say about us in rank keyword in get more than my expectations. Digital marketing experience and detection level of trainer is totally awesome. Sinda Tiwari, thank you so much.